안녕하세요. 유학제국의 우대표입니다. 오늘 소개해드릴 학교는 미국 매사추세츠주 보스턴 지역의 프라이즈 크로싱에 위치한 랜드마크 스쿨입니다. 1971년에 설립된 랜드마크 스쿨은 2학년부터 12학년까지 재학하는 학생들을 대상으로 한 특수교육 목적의 남녀공학 사립 보딩스쿨입니다. 이 학교는 언어기반 학습장애를 가진 학생들을 위해 설립되었으며 주로 난독증, 쓰기표현장애 등으로 학습에 어려움을 겪는 학생들이 재학하고 있습니다. 랜드마크 스쿨은 학생 개개인의 학습 스타일에 맞춘 맞춤형 교육을 핵심 목표로 삼고 있으며 이를 위해 1:1 튜토리얼과 소규모 수업을 중심으로 운영합니다. 또한 언어기반 학습장애 학생을 위해 전문적으로 개발된 교수법과 교육 프로그램을 제공하여 모든 교과에서 읽기, 쓰기, 사고, 표현 능력을 통합적으로 강화하는 교육을 실시하고 있습니다. 학교 내부는 보스턴 지역의 다른 보딩스쿨처럼 뉴 잉글랜드 스타일의 전통적인 건물 안에 자리하고 있으며 밝지만 차분하고 안정적인 학습 분위기를 주는 공간이었습니다. 저희는 리셉션 공간과 학교 설명을 위한 넓은 교실로 안내받아 학교 전반에 대한 설명을 들었고 학교에서는 저희를 위해 정성스럽게 아침 식사도 준비해 주셨습니다. 개인적으로 좋아하는 전형적인 아메리칸 브렉퍼스트 메뉴여서 더욱 인상 깊게 느껴졌습니다.
Thank you. Of course. So this is our tutorial center. Like we said, it's a one-on-one based classroom. I don't think there's anyone in there. You guys can take a little peek. It's okay. But it's this is where we have a lot of your tutorials. There's also another tutorial center which is cottage, which we won't say today, but it's very similar to this. So this is one-on-one with the teacher and a small room which is based on. You'll have it once a day. Well, with the new schedule, it's every other day.
랜드마크 스쿨에서는 다른 학교들에서는 볼 수 없는 1:1 수업 공간들을 많이 볼 수 있었습니다. 필요에 의해 정규 과목을 1:1 수업으로 듣기도 하고 방과 후에도 도움이 필요하면 선생님들이 학생의 숙제도 함께 해주고 모르는 것들을 추가로 수업을 받는 그런 형식이었습니다. 그렇게 만들어져 있네. 이렇게 1:1 교육을 할 수 있게끔.
This is also where our counselors are. So each student will be assigned a counselor, which is different from our guidance counselors. A counselor will be someone who helps you with maybe some parent situations or difficulty in class, anything sort of mental related they can help you with. We have a dress code, but not a uniform. So our dress code is kind of like a formal wear, so it's khakis or jeans, a landmark sweatshirt, or like I'm wearing a sweater, and so that is our dress code. We can't wear leggings, sweatpants, crop tops, regular hoodies, like it's all like formal wear.
And you're allowed to use just like a plain color t-shirt and like a white, blue, black, just any plain color.
Okay. So this is where our student life would be. That is where, again, we would have all of our after school important talks. Do you have questions?
With ADHDs now, with all these learning differences.
It's worldwide.
But it's just so difficult to find schools like this.
Here in the US, you'll find them.
Yes, yes.
되는 거구나. 카페테리아에는 커다란 창이 있었고 창 밖에는 바다가 보였습니다. 오션뷰입니다. 이렇게 되는 거구나. 카페테리아에는 알러지를 가진 학생들을 위한 메뉴들도 있었고 베제테리안 메뉴, 그리고 제가 제일 마음에 들었던 부분은 과일과 샐러드가 함께 있는 샐러드 바였습니다. 그리고 그 옆에는 샌드위치를 만들어 먹을 수 있는 햄, 터키, 치즈 등을 넣고 만들 수 있는 샌드위치 바였습니다.
So we're gonna head up to our electives, which are all individual buildings. We have art, woodshop, auto mechanics, weightlifting, PE, STEAM.
Thank you.
So this is our performing arts center.
Come on in.
We're about to have a play, and I don't know what's going on, but
Come on in, everybody.
These are the educational consultants.
yes.
Hello, everyone. Welcome.
This is our Performing Arts Center, our glorified black box space. We're getting ready for our spring musical that opens in 2 weeks. We're doing Something Rotten. Actually, not 2 weeks, next week. It opens next week. So we're doing some lighting. We're in the midst of tech. So we do 3 shows a year. We have a dance recital that we do. We have a bunch of students, about close to 30-ish, that then continue to do after school tech or dance or fashion and costume design stuff. So yep, they build everything you can, and then we bring it over into that space. So the same, so everything you saw out there was built by students. Yes. And then so just build it here and just bring it in and assemble it tomorrow. Yeah.
Last year, I did work on one of the school vans. It had like a major issue on like the engine bay, which we were taught how to work on it by I don't know if he's in there or not, but you can see it if it works.
Yeah, is Matt in?
I think he is. He should be. But basically, this is like where you can work on cars.
Can you explain woodshop? All I told you is that you build benches.
Okay.
Bring drop organic.
That's cool. You can have them come in if you want.
Okay, good.
Welcome to the woodshop. These guys are busy at work. Senior long elective, like all the other electives on campus. Students start out by building mortise and tenon benches to fit a purpose and a place in their life. So it's okay if it's a little kid toothbrushing stool, or if it's like a long behind the sofa table, or anything in between. They can get really creative on it. As creative as they want to be, or it can just be a place to sit down and put on their shoes. This usually takes till about Thanksgiving, and everybody spends a lot of time practicing the individual joints that make up a project like this. It gets their hands on all the milling machines as well to turn rough cut lumber into flat, straight, and square wood. After that, kids can get very creative. Somebody's making a butter churn right now, which makes no sense, but that's what she wanted to make, so it's all good.
They do.
That's the actual fence line is somewhere down there.
Come on in.
Long.
Hi, welcome to the art department. Are you going to take them to the gallery?
I can.
You should definitely take them to the gallery.
Okay.
So I'm Mrs. Jameson, one of the heads of the art department. And I'm gonna kind of like point to areas and tell you about our program and the different classes. And then when I'm done talking, you can kind of do a little bit of your own walkabout. So Landmark Art Department is really a skills-based department. So we have a range of classes, each one focusing on a different skill set or like an advancing of that skill set. So you walked into our Drawing 1 class, which is really like a foundational drawing class. They just did a bunch of work with line. Now they're moving into value study and pencil and then charcoal. We have a Drawing 2 class that takes these skills and does it with more sophisticated or more challenging projects. They just did scissors in charcoal, and now they're going to do a warp grid where they actually like warp the scissors. We have a ceramics class. Morgan here, your tour guide, takes.
And you're flying early?
I did.
Good.
So this is our art gallery, also where our guidance is. So in there is the College and Career Counseling Center. So there's 4 counselors. This is digital arts right here, this wall. This is portfolio, so they were assigned to choose one thing from like their everyday life.
There we go.
Thank you.
So this is our science department. This is where we will have all of our science classes. No matter what grade, what class, all of your science classes will be in here. How many labs do we have? We have
It's not too bad, but Jack.
2 labs, 1 chemistry, 1 bio lab.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
So now it's building.
So this is the math department. Our math and science were both old mansions. So we have kitchens in both. No, we have kitchens in one. And so our math is buildings, obviously, where all of our math will take.
Time for
Do you
Jamaica.
guys have any questions about math?
Welcome back.
We have algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry, calc, pre-calc, common stats, integrated.
랜드마크 스쿨은 특수 목적의 학교이기는 하지만 직접 방문해보니 보스턴 지역의 다른 일반 보딩스쿨과 비교해 시설 면에서 특별히 다르다는 느낌은 전혀 받지 못했습니다.
A printer, and this is the level system I was talking about. So when it comes to the level system, it's based on trust and
Something.
so you can work up the level system, which will give you more privilege. So I'm a proctor. I am the highest level you can get at Landmark, and that means that I have a lot of trust. I don't have to leave the dorm at 7:25, which other students have to. I just have to make it to my first period class on time. I have full access to all the dorms at any time of the day, so other students below proctor have to stay out of the dorms until 3:10. I can go in between classes, during lunch, if my teacher's absent, so it has a lot of perks to it, I would say. Williston will have separate beds, but a communal bathroom area, so it won't look like this. You guys can all squeeze in here. We just cleaned it this morning. Every dorm will have 2 desks, 2 dressers, 2 closets. You're allowed to have a mini fridge.
라운드리.
The laundry is here. It's a common. The fridge and microwave.
랜드마크 스쿨을 보면서 가장 인상 깊었던 것은 학생을 바꾸려고 하지 않는다는 점이었습니다. 랜드마크 스쿨은 왜 못하냐가 아니라 어떻게 하면 잘할 수 있을까를 먼저 생각하는 학교입니다. 모두 학생 한 명 한 명의 방식에 맞게 설계돼 있어 배움이 힘들었던 학생에게는 딱 맞는 학교라고 생각합니다. 랜드마크 스쿨에 대해 더 궁금한 점이 있거나 미국 보딩스쿨 전반에 대해 알아보고 싶으시다면 댓글을 남겨주시거나 유학제국에 문의해주세요. 감사합니다.